We got the piggyback rider. We're excited to be able to try this out. It's a great way that we've seen for you to be able to take kids on longer distances since they get a little bit more tired than we do. So getting it figured out how to put it all together. I just pulled the harness out for the child. So we have the harness on for the child side of things, and then you can adjust it to make sure that it's snug enough on them. So a lot of adjustability on this, which is really nice. Very easy to be able to make that happen and learn how it goes on. Here's the adult carrier. It goes on real easy, just as a backpack would. As you can see here, just slide it on, goes on your back. Has the sternum strap here to be able to keep it together. And then really it just sits on. You can see how it sits on, and the kid's feet sit right there to be able to lock that in. So we get a side pocket so that we can put snacks in it. And then also there's a water bottle holder as well. So we can take our water bottle with us and have it stored on the side so you can free your hands for other things. They really did think of everything here. Let's put it to the test.
Additionally, there's a prize inside for the kid to open. Comes with a whole bunch of really cute stickers.
We're going over all of the features that this has before we get on the trail, and one of the things that we just learned is it has a built-in whistle. Athena, can you blow it? Shh. Yeah.
Can I blow it too?
Shh. Whoa.
Great safety
so many
features.
great safety features on this. Isn't that neat?
Are we ready?
I think we're
Are we ready?
Are you ready? All right, so I'm going to sit down here, and you can find out how close you need your child to be. Hand me the other one there, please. Thank you. Nice thing is too is they can help you with this, so that's really cool because then it's interactive, and kids always enjoy helping. So it's really nice to be able to do that. It's actually not very hard to be able to put it on yourself. It does take just some paying attention. All right, Athena, step on the foot bar. Got it?
She's on it.
She's on it.
Okay. There we go. It's very comfortable, easy. It has a lot of adjustability if we needed to adjust it here, but as she's standing on that, very easy, very comfortable for me to be able to have this, and it distributes the weight very nicely across your shoulders. Feel comfortable? Yeah? All right. Exciting.
I'm ready to go.
Say, go, Daddy,
go.
Go, Daddy, go.
Using this for just a few minutes right now. It does have a hip belt accessory, and I would feel that the hip belt would be able to allow you to distribute the weight even greater and allow you to go a lot longer distances.
So what I love about this, we have a 4.5-year-old and then we have a 3-year-old, and we love hiking as a family, but it's really hard to get out here and hike because they get tired so fast. So this way we can go a lot farther, and look how happy she is. She doesn't love being in the baby carrier anymore, so this is like a great next option. So this makes me really excited that we can get out and hike again. And then of course my 4.5-year-old is all about walking, and I love that too. But if she gets tired, we can always switch out and let her go on it for a little bit.
I can't fall off.
That's right, you can't fall off. This is great.
This is a great little side pouch with Velcro. You can put stuff, some snacks, extra clothing, anything you need really accessible.
Everything is awesome.
You want to go walk?
Okay.
All right, well, let's see how easy it is to be able to get this off of you. And then we're going to undo the strap here.
I'm tired.
My other daughter wants to go for a ride as well now, so let's go ahead and put this one in. Can you hand me that clip?
Yes.
Yep, right there. Real easy for one person to be able to put this on, especially if the kid assists you by handing it to you. All right, Jade, step on. There it is. It is that easy. And then if you needed to, you can adjust the strap here on your child to make sure that they're snug enough But you know, you could also have it to where it's a little loose if you wanted to, and they have the ability to be able to lean back, move forward and back a little bit. But you got to be careful with that. All right, 1, 2, 3.
What'd you think?
It got me a headache.
It gave you a headache?
Yeah.
Oh.
One of the things when you're giving a child a piggyback ride without the piggyback is that they tend to want to hold around your neck, and you kind of feel constricted with that, and you always have to mention, hey, put your arms down. This is really nice because it has a strap for the kids to be able to hold on to so that they don't feel inclined to want to put their hands around your neck. Much nicer experience for the dad or the mom to be able to use this when they're not being constricted around the neck. Just finished up our couple-mile hike testing this out. Really enjoyed it. It was very comfortable the whole way around. I do feel that the hip belt would add an extra layer of comfort for it just to distribute the weight a little bit better. It comes with a nice little carrying bag for storage, or if you're hiking around and you needed to put it in something, it works as a backpack as well. So nice little case to be able to keep everything inside of it and in a nice confined place. I really enjoyed this. I'm looking forward to being able to use it on future trips. I know you'll enjoy it as well.